Good evening, all. Good evening. Welcome again in our new video of part 2 of civics, class 7th, lesson number 7, markets around us. In last period, we have seen how weekly markets run, what are the functions of weekly markets, etc. Now we have to see how weekly market is disadvantage. And in last video, I have said you what are we will see the disadvantages and the advantages of weekly market. Firstly, we will complete our shops in the neighbor point, and first of all, I will ask some questions on Samir, seller of clothes. As last time, I have said you that I will ask questions. So I will firstly erase this. I will firstly erase this so that you cannot see what is in it. Only the image will be here. Okay. See, you can see now the image. Who was Samir? Who was Samir? Any guesses? Seller of clothes. Yes, good. You can say this properly. Okay. 2 minutes. I will stop sharing. Okay. Who was Samir? Samir was a sailor of clothes. Okay. All have comment me. Okay. Any more answers? Please comment me. Okay. Welcome again in our IBM institution video. Yes. Welcome. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. So we are here to see. I will introduce again to all new members. We are here again to see the part 2 of class 7th civics. Today we will complete 2 points of this lesson. Okay. So let's see the next point. Shops in neighbor. I will switch the screen. Okay. Can you see the picture properly? Properly you can. Okay. We will see shops in the neighborhood. We have seen that the weekly markets offer a variety of goods. However, we also buy things from other kinds of markets. There are many shops that sells goods and services in our neighborhoods. We may buy a milk from the dairy, Gross, groceries from departmental stores, stationeries, eatables, or medicines from other shops. Now, this point, I have some of the point I have explained you in the last video. Okay, this explains you how the market is diverse. Now, anywhere we will go, there we can get any type of thing, any type of thing. Now, there is no diversity between the clothes and the foods and many more things. Now, see, uh, have you any one listened about the pashmina cloth or sari? So, it is from Bengal, I think so. And from Bengal, it is spread through all over the India. Now it is getting in all the luxury shops of India. In wherever luxury shops you will go, you will get the pashmina shawl, pashmina cloth shawl, or pashmina sari also. Any luxury shop you will visit, then you can see no diversity is remained in our country about the food and cloth, but about the place particular. Now you can imagine of Delhi. There the Red Fort. Can we brought the Red Fort to uh, Maharashtra, to Gujarat, to Rajasthan? No. In these things, diversity is not matter. Diversity not matters in the type of places or in the matter of places, because we cannot take that monument to our state, to our country, or to our area, because it is immovable. Means it is impossible, because it is a thing that will not diverse anywhere. अभी हमें उसे देखने के लिए दिल्ली में ही जाना पड़ेगा. That can we see it from here? Yes, but by the technology, not by our eyes. By the technology, but not by our eyes. That's why we cannot see the real red fort from sitting in the Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, anywhere where you are. Okay. So many of these are permanent shops, while others are roadside stalls, such as that of the vegetable hawker, the fruit vendor, the mechanic, etc. Now, anywhere you have seen the hawker, vegetable hawker, and in every chawl or in every street, the vegetable hawker moves for its income for a day. It's his income, gradually it will be more than 1,000 after moving to about 50 to 60 places, 50 to 60 homes. In a day, he moves to the 50 to 60 homes to at least to buy 1,000 rupees per day. That means he can survive, or he can brought the uh, groceries, and at home they can make the food for themselves, their children's, their parents, their wives, and any person. Okay. And there are the fruit vendors, the mechanics, etc. These such roadside stalls you can see wherever. Shops in the neighborhood are useful in many ways. They are near our home, and we can go there on any day of the week. Usually, the buyer and seller know each other, and these shops also provide goods on credit. This means that you can pay for the purchase later, as we saw in Sujata's case, for example. Now, sometimes in permanent shops, we are getting the groceries or the vegetables in a credit. Means we can give that money afterwards to that seller. Okay. That is known as the credit. Okay. So, what example we have? You can see here. There is the Sujata and Kavita, that the both friends were there, and they were sent to brought the groceries from the grocery shop, and the owner of that shop, when Sujata and Kavita gone there, Kavita was gone to sell, to take the uh, required materials which they are claimed for, and Sujata gone to the counter and said to that owner, we want groceries on credit this time. Whenever you will read the story, then you will understand. I am only explaining that in simple English. Okay. So she said that, okay, we will give you on the credit. And she taken out a book of her record. Owner taken out her book of her record and noted the name of Sujata and written whichever credit amount it is. I think it's the 300 rupees. It took almost 20 minutes to wait and pack all the groceries. Then Sujata showed her notebook. Then the woman noted the amount of 3000 in the notebook and gave it back. She also noted the amount in her big register. Then Sujata took the heavy bags out of the shop. Her family will pay for the purchases in the first week of next month. Means her total grocery was of 3000 rupees. 3000 rupees. Okay. Her groceries were amount was 3000 rupees. Okay. So she's seen very much types of items uh, were placed in the rows and racks of the grocery shop. There were very much crowd and there were many much mess because that is the permanent shop and that was small. As you know, permanent shops should give the electricity bill, the maintenance of the shop, the required bills they have to pay for it, and that's why the permanent shop is having one advantage that it it have to pay the electricity bill, maintenance bill. In the case of weekly market or the temporary shops or shopkeepers, the case is not that like. The case is that they didn't want to pay the electricity bill, the maintenance bill. They are only there for a day and they will move to their homes again tomorrow and make their new shop in another place or on another place. Their place is not fixed. Their shops are not permanent. So this is the two advantages and the disadvantages. One advantage and disadvantage of weekly market and you sorry temporary shopkeeper and the permanent shopkeeper. You will give me more three disadvantages and advantages in the comments so that I will be encouraged to make some more of these videos. Okay, thank you for joining us. We have completed this point. In the next video, we will complete our next point. Like and subscribe our channel and make sure you will share this video towards all over the India. Thank you for joining with International Vidya Mandir Academy. Be with us for likewise new updates. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.